Say goodbye to wrinkles and hello to youthful skin with this anti-aging skincare routine that actually works. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the ultimate tips for achieving anti-aging and glowing skin. I'll share some top product recommendations, explain how these products work, and why a consistent anti-aging skincare routine is crucial. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support really helps me create more valuable content for you. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite skincare tip or product. Let's kick things off with a question. Who wouldn't want to turn back the clock on their skin and look younger than ever before? I know I would. So, if you're interested in defying the aging process, you're in the right place. Now let's dive into the common challenges we all face as we age. Fine lines, wrinkles, and the dreaded loss of elasticity. It's like our skin is playing a not-so-fun game of hide and seek with our youthfulness. But fear not, my friends. The secret to maintaining a youthful appearance lies in the power of anti-aging creams. These magical potions work wonders in combating those pesky signs of aging and helping us look and feel our best. Achieving youthful, glowing skin involves a combination of proper skincare routines, effective products, and healthy lifestyle choices. Today, I'm going to break down everything you need to know to keep your skin looking its best. Importance of an anti-aging skincare routine. Why is an anti-aging skincare routine so important? Starting early with preventive measures can help slow down the aging process and maintain your skin's youthful appearance. Using the right products and following a consistent routine can help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. It also helps in maintaining skin elasticity and hydration, giving you a radiant and youthful glow. Now here comes the exciting part, the top 5 anti-aging creams of 2024. Get ready to discover their key ingredients and the amazing benefits they offer for your skin. From reducing fine lines to boosting collagen production, these creams are a game changer in the quest for youthful skin. Step 1. Cleansing. The first step in any effective skincare routine is cleansing. A good cleanser removes impurities, makeup, and excess oil without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Product recommendation. Cleansing oil, DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. Foam cleanser, CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Cleansing helps to remove the dirt and oil that can clog pores and lead to breakouts, ensuring your skin is fresh and ready to absorb the next products in your routine. Step 2. Exfoliation. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. This helps to reveal fresh, glowing skin and prevents clogged pores. Product recommendation. A chemical exfoliant, Paula's Choice Skin, Perfecting 2%, BHA, Liquid Exfoliant. Our physical exfoliant, Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. Exfoliation helps to smooth out your skin's texture and can also help with hyperpigmentation and fine lines, making your skin look brighter and more youthful. Step 3. Toning. Toners help to balance your skin's pH and prepare it for better absorption of subsequent skincare products. Product recommendation. Hydrating toner, Thayers Witch Hazel Toner with Rose Petal. A good toner will hydrate your skin and remove any leftover impurities, making your skin more receptive to serums and moisturizers. Step 4. Serum. Serums are packed with powerful ingredients that target specific skin concerns such as fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Product recommendation. The anti-aging serum, The Ordinary Buffet. A Vitamin C Serum, TruSkin Vitamin C Serum. Serums contain concentrated active ingredients that penetrate deeply into the skin, providing targeted treatments for various skin concerns. Step 5. Moisturizing. Moisturizers help to hydrate and lock in moisture, keeping your skin plump and smooth. Product recommendation. Day Cream, Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. Night Cream, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. Moisturizing is essential for maintaining the skin's barrier function and preventing moisture loss, which can lead to dryness and fine lines. Step 6. Sun protection. Sun protection is crucial in preventing premature aging and protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. Product recommendation. A sunscreen, La Roche-Posay Anthelios Melt in Milk Sunscreen SPF 60. Using sunscreen daily is one of the best ways to protect your skin from sun damage, which can cause wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and even skin cancer. Lifestyle tips for anti-aging and glowing skin. Beyond skincare products, your lifestyle plays a significant role in maintaining youthful, glowing skin. Here are some tips. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. 2. Healthy diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants. 3. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. 4. Exercise regularly. Physical activity boosts circulation and helps keep your skin healthy. 5. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. These can accelerate skin aging and damage. Anti-aging ingredients to look for. When choosing skincare products, look for these key anti-aging ingredients. 1. Retinoids help to boost collagen production and cell turnover. 2. Hyaluronic acid provides intense hydration and plumps the skin. 3. Vitamin C brightens the skin and protects against free radical damage. 4. Peptides support skin structure and improve elasticity. 5. Niacinamide reduces inflammation and improves skin texture. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so make sure to incorporate these products into your daily routine for maximum results. And that's a wrap on our ultimate guide to anti-aging and glowing skin. By following these steps and using the right products, you can achieve a youthful, radiant complexion. I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to incorporate them into your skincare routine. To buy the referred products online, please check the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps me create more content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite skincare tip or any questions you have. I love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.